Hey, what's up people, and welcome to another Microsoft Word 2019 tutorial. This is lesson 15, and in this lesson we are going to get familiar with the functions of F8 key on your keyboard. F8 has very interesting functions to offer, so let's get right into it. By pressing F8 key, selecting text feature gets activated. You can select a character, a word, or a paragraph. Now, if you press F8 once, you can use arrow keys on the keyboard to select characters. As you can see, they become highlighted. If you press F8 twice, you can select a word. Now, by pressing it 3 times, you can select a sentence. And if you press it 4 times, you can select a paragraph. Finally, if you press F8 5 times, you can select the whole document. You see, boom, it's selected. Keep in mind that when you click F8 once, this feature is enabled, and in order to disable or turn it off, all you need to do is pressing escape key on the keyboard. Now let's touch on different ways you can scroll or move through your document. The easiest way to scroll through your document is using the scroll bar on the right hand side of your document, or using the scroll on your mouse. Left and right arrow keys on the keyboard move your insertion point one character at a time. Well, I'm pretty sure you already knew this. Pressing home key or end key on the keyboard will move the insertion point to the beginning or to the end of a line. Now let's see how we can move between paragraphs using your keyboard. In order to jump from one paragraph to another, below or above, hold down the Control key and press up or down arrow key. Easy peasy, you can jump from one paragraph to another one. Page up and page down, these two keys, they help you to go to the next page of your document, or a page before. Now if you want to go to the beginning of your document, real quick using your keyboard, hold down the Control key and press home key on the keyboard. Or hold down Control key and press down arrow key to go to the end of your document. Okay, this is the end of this lesson. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to check out the next lesson, it's on the right hand side and the previous lesson on the left. Please make sure you subscribe and hit the like button so you'll be notified as soon as we drop a new video, and also because it helps our channel a lot. Thank you so much, guys. Until next time, peace.